Okay, give these cards a ruffle shuffle, and I think I want to do a quick, just a clarifying read on the Keebler Christian, alias Grinder Mike. So what's it going to tell us? What's going on with the Keebler Christian now? Let's look what's at the center of it all is, yes, his fake Christianity. Yeah, his Antichrist Christianity. That's what we've got at the very center of it. Yes, the Keebler Christian. So let's see what we have above it. Hanging over his head is temperance, balance, and the foundation is what he's trying to get away with. Okay? Tempering things with his fake Christianity. So on one side of it we have, this abuse of power. And then his just walking away. Okay? He's done what he could to abuse the power when it comes to democracy. Okay? Being ruled by the emotions and the new action. Foundation is a new action. And oh, what a surprise. Little Grinder Mike just got chained up by some things. Yeah. The abuse of power, fake Christianity. And on the other side of it, we have wanting to move to something better because this is a mental difficulty for him now. Above it, unfortunately for him, the wheel is turning. The foundation on what he's offering up. And what he's trying to birth to America. So his dark deeds, the drama, there's a new action coming when the wheel is turning. What's being offered up with democracy. So let's see what we have driving the whole thing. Is trying to blocking stuff. It's affecting his world. The problem for them is the truth. Yeah, that little annoying thing called the truth. Investigating, looking deeper. People taking action, the action in hand with what's being shared. And they're attempting to control, being ruled by money, drama, with what's being built. They have that unfortunate thing, which is the harvest. There is the evidence in hand, and it is a tower moment for what they have been trying to hide, what they've been trying to cling to, again, and not let out. And these are the life choices that have been made. So it's not going well. Not going well for him. You know, things are starting to come out. And his fake Christianity is not going to save him. And he's chained to his, things behind the scene, his Grindr account. And no matter how much of the Keebler Christian's fake Christianity he puts out there, it's not playing anymore. So Grinder Mike is having a bit of difficulties. On that note, we'll leave that here. We'll see you online.